Hello, how are you feel today? Excited or fun? Today we are interacting about special job. Okay, let's get started. Now, what do you think about it? I managed to explain job that doesn't feel you sadness or stress. Also, it gives you enjoy and more fun. Therefore, your job should be just like your hobby. Maybe you're confused. Let's continue. You get more excitement and discipline if you do it successfully. For instance, I'm good at mathematical calculations, so I'm interested in investment. The reason why I love this, it gives me any pain. If I do it, I won't be lazy. I feel enjoyed and more fun from it. I don't think it as like a job. Therefore, if you combine your favorite thing and environment requirements, you will get success. Your job will be special than others. Because they do it only if they work. Also, they don't give any attention from it. They need just money. They don't feel enjoy and feel suffer and disappointed. Now, think about it. What do you like? Which thing makes you enjoyable? Why do you choose it? Think. Okay, if you want to continue it, and like and subscribe. See you next time.